Mass College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences School of Pharmacy, Worcester and Manchester, we are a accelerated PharmD program. Most programs are a 4-year. We have 2 years and 10 months.
They offer strong hands-on experiential learning early on in the program. I feel like it's really strengthened my confidence in going into practice.
I've done 3 rotations so far. I've done a community rotation, an institutional, and an internal medicine rotation.
Our class size was very small. You knew everyone in the class. Everyone wanted everyone else to do well and be successful.
The faculty here are amazing.
I always tell students in the classroom, we're not only here to teach you, but we are also here to learn from you.
They're just good people, and they want to help you succeed.
They offer advice not only academically and professionally, but also personally. There's a lot of interprofessional education and involvement. We have a lot of activities where pharmacy, nursing, occupational therapy, physician assistant, we all come together and learn about each other's profession.
Pharmacy has evolved over time from a pharmacist filling prescriptions to a pharmacist becoming a really integral member of the healthcare team.
The PharmD program, I think, does open a lot of doors, not only with your traditional community pharmacy, but hospital pharmacy, pharmaceutical companies.
The sky's the limit. So if you put the work into it and you take advantage of the opportunities that the program provides you, you can really set yourself up for success in the future.
They end up with a lot of transferable skills that not just going to apply in the pharmacy world, but can be transferred to other professions.
I started out as a community pharmacist working at our Shaw's and Star Market location, and now today I oversee pharmacy operations and strategic initiatives across our 1,700 pharmacy locations across the country.
I'm super excited to enter the real professional world and just get to embrace every opportunity that comes along.